Welcome. In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. So let's say you have a workout going, and let me actually start one quickly. Okay, and let's say you have a ongoing workout and you want to stop it. You can do it quite simply by pressing the crown button to pause it, and once you pause it you can tap on this stop button right here, and then you can confirm if you want to end the workout, and after you do, the workout will be stopped. And that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.